lot of memories of Dr. Manmohan Singh.
Yes.
Uh, he is one of the greatest human beings I have ever come across in my life. He is a great visionary. He is a great economist, and he is a person who shaped the economy when the country's economy is doldrum and make the country world famous in
Yes.
and I had the great fortune of working in the parliament with him as the presiding officer, deputy presiding officer.
Yes, sir.
Later on, I had the privilege of being member of his cabinet, and he has a great friend of minorities, and he is a person who has given the country and constitutional values to the minorities, and the lot has to be said.
Mm-hmm.
मैं बोले the I'm I have I have my emotions are I am not able to uh, control my emotions the
Yes.
way such a great man has left us,
Yes.
and may God give his soul in peace, and then we the country will ever grateful to him for this
Yes.
contribution he has done.
Sir, you have worked with him in his cabinet. Any particular memorable moment that you can recollect from the times when you worked with him?
No, there are several occasions, and
Yes.
we have discussed about the various issues which we have not only as a member of the cabinet, but even earlier also.
Yes.
And he has been my guide, philosopher, and he has been any problems of the community he used to listen with total sympathy, and he has supported the downtrodden and poor, and
Yes.
is a friend of poor, and I mean there's a lot we can be said about him for his contribution, and it's not it.